Hello Rin. Happy 18th birthday sa iyo. Laging mag-ingat at salamat sa Diyos sa pinagkalooban ka po ng isang taon uli sa iyong buhay at nasa wastong edad ka na. Lagi kang sumunod sa iyong magulang, laging magalang sa magulang at huwag kalimutan sa lahat yung pagnalangin sa Diyos at araw-araw ng iyong buhay, lalo na pag ikaw ay umalis ng bahay at sa iyo pong mga pangarap. Okay, happy 18th birthday ulit Rin. Love you from Kuya Jojo.
Hi Renren, ako po ay bumabati na sa iyo ng happy 18th birthday sa iyo Renren. Salamat sa Diyos sa 18 taon na pag-iingat sa iyo ng Diyos at nawa patuloy ka pang patuloy na gabayan at ingatan palagi sa iyong buhay at salamat sa pagkakataon na binigay niya sa iyo na i-celebrate yung 18th birthday mo. Wish ko sa iyo ay gabayan ka palagi ng Diyos at biyayaan ng magandang kalusugan para makapagpatuloy sa iyong buhay. At ang payo ko sa iyo bilang anak ay patuloy kang makinig sa iyong magulang at makinig sa iyong kapatid at maging mabuting anak sa iyong magulang at nawa ay mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Salamat sa Diyos sa lahat ng bagay na pinagkaloob niya sa iyo at pasensya ka na at hindi na kami makakarating sa iyong birthday. Gustuhin naman namin makarating ay may pasok kasi kaya i-greet na lang kita ng happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your day and patuloy na magpasalamat sa Diyos sa anumang bagay na meron ka. Yung regalo ko ay utang muna. Joke. Sige, enjoy your day at ingat ka palagi. We love you always. From Tita Jenny. Salamat sa Diyos. Happy birthday.
Hello, Australia. Oh, wow. It's Renren's birthday? Oh, hi, Renren. Happy birthday. It's your 18th birthday pala. So, we want to wish you a happy birthday, good health, and study hard. Tsaka pagpakabait sa mga magulang. And basta alam mo na yun, we love you and take care always. Okay? O, ito si Mami, gigreet din sa'yo.
Hello, Renren. Happy birthday, naning ko. Sweetie Pie, Harry Pie, or whatever. Chase your dream. Now you're already a grown-up woman. Sana magpakabait. Laging sundin si Mama and Papa. We wish we were there also in your birthday to celebrate. But anyway, we love you very, very much. Ate Erica, love you very much too. And we wish you a happy birthday. 18th birthday. You're a grown woman now. Act like a grown woman. No more kid stuff. No more silly stuff. Study well and magpakabait, okay? For your mom and your dad. Happy birthday, sweetie.
And we're gonna give you a song. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, blow your candle now. I mean your cake.
Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Make a wish, Crystal Rain. I love you. We love you.
Make a wish. Love you.
Love you.
Hi, Ate Renren. Happy 18th birthday. Ay kasunod sa wish ko ay sana sumunod ka lagi sa mga parents mo, mga tito, titas. Pagbutihin mo pag-aaral mo ay para sa iyo din. And happy 18th birthday. Again. Bye.
Happy birthday, Renren! May your birthday be as sweet as you are. At ingatan mo lagi ang iyong pangangatawan. Patabak pa sana ng konti. I love you and miss you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Renren! Labo-labo!
Hi Renren! Happy 18th birthday! As you begin your new chapter in your life, remember to follow your dreams, have faith in yourself, and appreciate every moment. Keep in mind that we are always here for you, no matter what, despite the distance. If you got problems, if you need any help, if you need someone to talk to, I'm just here, your ate. And yeah, always remember that we love you and we care for you forever and always. So again, happy birthday and have a good one. Peace out.
Hello, Renren. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Lagi kang gabayan ng Diyos. Pagbati mula kay Tito mo Alan. Ingatan lagi ang sarili, ayusin ang pag-aaral. Maging mabait sa magulang, masunurin. Hello. Enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Renren. May all your dreams and prayers come true and may you find the courage to keep pursuing them. Don't forget to pray and ask guidance from God. Kung kailangan mo ng kausap, nandito lang ako. Ingatan nawa palagi. Happy birthday ulit. Have an amazing one. Pasensya na hindi ako makapunta sa birthday mo. Love you.